In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where Minecraft keeps crashing or freezing. So to go and fix this issue, we first just need to head over to our start menu, go and search for settings and click on the settings window. In the left hand side, go and select system, click on display, and then scroll down to the bottom and click on graphics. Click on the drop down arrow next to advanced graphics settings and make sure hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is turned on and enabled. You're then going to scroll down to your list of applications and go and locate Minecraft. Now click on the drop down arrow next to Minecraft, click on the GPU preference and make sure high performance is selected, and also make sure optimizations for window games is turned on and enabled. Now if you can't see Minecraft in your list of applications, then you could always go and add it manually by scrolling back up to the top and click on add Microsoft Store app, and then you can just go and search for Minecraft in this list. If you can't see it in this list, you can always click on add desktop app and you can go and locate Minecraft from where you have it saved onto your computer. Now once you've done this, click on apps in the left hand side, click on installed apps, and then using the search box, search for Minecraft. Click on the three horizontal dots next to Minecraft and click on advanced options. Scroll down to the reset section and click on repair. Then wait a couple of seconds while that tries to repair your app. And once you've done that, you can click on reset and click on reset again. Now the next solution is to open up the start menu and search for run. Click on the run icon and then type in %sign app data %sign and press enter. Click on the top folder here, which is .minecraft, and then scroll down and double click on this mods folder. Now a very common reason why your Minecraft game may be crashing is because of the mods that you have installed. So what you'll need to do is go and select everything inside of this folder and then just click on the trash icon to delete it. Now obviously this will delete the mods from your game, but this should go and resolve the crashing and freezing issue. Now if you have tried this and it's still not working, the final solution is to open up an internet browser and just type in Java download and press enter. Click on the top website java.com and then scroll down to this Windows Online download and click on this. You'll then need to head over to your downloads folder and follow the steps on the screen to install this to your computer. Once it's finished installing, you can check once again to see if that solved your issue. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.